In 2003, Air France was the first airline to operate aircraft from the A320 family, comprising the A318, A319, A320 and A321. In 2008, Air France will take delivery of 7 of these aircraft with the latest in engine technologies, thus optimising the environmental performance of its fleet. These new engines, which use less fuel, not only limit CO2 emissions but also reduce nitrogen oxide emissions by 20%. They are also more environmentally friendly because they make less noise. They are more technologically advanced, reducing noise pollution. The cabin has also been completely redesigned. It offers additional space and comfort, more ergonomic fittings and a new colour scheme. With these new aircraft, Air France is meeting its commitment to protect the environment.